Hey guys, this is me Pile. In today's video, I am going to show you how to change email on Facebook. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in now. I am on my Android phone here. You can do that exact same steps on iPhone or a computer as well. So I am going to open up the Facebook app. Once I have opened it, I am going to navigate to my profile by tapping the three lines at the top right corner of my screen. And then you can see at the very top left is my name and profile. I am going to tap on that. Now once I am here, I can scroll down and then right under relationship status you can see your about info, right? I am going to tap that, and you can see right next to contact info is my email address that I have associated with this Facebook account. So right next to it I can hit the edit button, and it will give me the ability to edit my phone number and add a new phone number, but we will want to tab manage contact info, so I am going to tap that. And here is where I can choose it. Where for instance you just I can choose, if for instance you just want to change the privacy of that email address, you can tap the email and say you know who can access it. Public friends are only me. But if you want to change that email address, you first have to add a new email address. So we are going to add a tab add email address. The bottom here, then add an additional email address. You can go in here and you can type in an email address that you want to add here, and then you will have to tap to enter in your password so that you can verify that this is your account that you are adding this new email address to. So once you do that, you tap the add email button, and it might send a verification code to that new email address. Once you have that new email, let's go back here. What you can do is set that new email as your primary email address, and then the old one, if you want to, you can always delete it. If so, this was a process by which you can change email on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks. Have a good day.